how to solve problems. This is the most in-demand skill guaranteed for the next 20 years. How can I make such a bold statement? Well, think about it. Work, jobs are literally that. They're people paying you money to solve problems. When you have unique skills, when you have unique abilities to solve problems, that's when what you learn becomes valuable to others. And this idea of solving problems is what's going to make you successful. Hopefully you're taking this course in order to learn efficient learning because you want to get to a point where you have a valuable skill that most people don't have so you can solve problems. So how do we solve problems? Well, there's two ways that we can solve problems. One is within the focus mode of thinking. When we're focused on something, it's really easy for us to solve problems that require that focus mode, where sometimes these problems are sequential. Do this, then do that, then do this. But there's also another way of solving problems. It's a way to solve problems in the diffuse mode of thinking. Sometimes these problems in the diffuse mode are solved by what we call intuition, by ideas or creative solutions. We often think that to solve a problem, we always need to be focused. Don't get me wrong, being focused when solving a problem is important. But as solutions become less intuitive, as solutions become more creative, harder to grasp, you need to also use your diffuse mode. Think about the time that you spent so much time on a problem and you couldn't solve it. And then you finally went home, came back the next day to work and found a solution right away. Some problems are better solved with different ways, sometimes focus, sometimes diffuse mode. And learning which way to go and going back and forth between different strategies is part of being a good problem solver.